In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I make this porridge using yam and plantain. The result was amazing and it tasted so good. So if you want to see how I did it, watch this video to the end. Thank you. Welcome back again. If you are a returning subscriber and if you are a new person, kindly subscribe to my channel. So for this recipe, the major ingredients you need is yam and plantain. Yes, so as you can see in the video, I'm just going to go on to peel the yam as clean as possible because you don't need the yam peels in the video. So after peeling it, I'm going to go on to cut it into smaller pieces, which you are going to see in the later part of the video. The size that you're going to cut it depends on you. If you want it to be tiny, you can do that. If you want it to be just medium pieces, just go ahead. As you can see, I'm already starting off from the bigger piece, sharing it, dividing it into smaller pieces like this. So after cutting it, the next thing I'm going to do is wash the yam. As you can see, I'm done slicing it. After washing it, I'm going to transfer it into a clean pot and I'm going to add water. The quantity of water should be on the same level with the yam. So after adding water, I went on to add a little amount of salt and cover it and allow it to cook. So while it's cooking in another pot, I add palm oil, iru and onions. Allow it to saute for a few minutes, and then I'm going to add a mixture of bell peppers, Scotch bonnet and onions, which I have blended. So when I add it, I'm just going to give it a quick stir and allow it to fry until it's like this. Then I went on to add seasoning cubes depending on the quantity of your food. Seasoning cubes, salt, and then some crayfish powder. So this is me adding it. After that, stir everything, set aside. Then for the plantain, I'm using just 2 pieces of plantain. The quantity of plantain you use depends on you, depends on how much you love plantain or how many people you are cooking for. So I went on to peel the plantain. After peeling it, I'm going to slice it into tiny pieces like this. This one, I'm just going to do it like 4-corner shape. Kindly ignore those black stuff you are seeing on the knife. That's the seed of the plantain. So I've finished slicing the plantain. Now let's go check the yam. So you see the yam is almost soft. So I'm going on to add the fried pepper and onions mix. Then add the plantain. The reason I did not cook the plantain and the yam the same time is because the yam takes longer time to get fully cooked compared to the plantain. But if you are using unripe plantain, you can cook it the same time with the yam, or even first before cooking the yam, because that one takes longer time to get soft compared to the ripe plantain. So I've mixed everything together. I'm just going on to add my remaining crayfish powder and stir everything and cover it for some like 2-3 minutes, and then it's ready. Go on to add whatever vegetables you want to use. You can add your favorite vegetable or bell pepper for garnishing. It's ready.